Hello producers. If you want to prove yourself professional, then use these tricks. First, open channel rack and here you can find empty sample. Open it and choose scale. And go to stamp and select the scale that you have just chosen. And click on that note and just duplicate on lower and higher octave. Now open FL keys and open piano roll. And you can find there's a note in dark gray color. That is ghost note. You can use those note, because that all in our scale. Now I make simple chord progression. Yeah, this is good. But now time to improve your chord progression like pro. Now select the middle note and send to one octave up with the help of Ctrl+ up arrows. Now this chord sounds better. But we need more feel. So select the bass note and duplicate them and send to one octave down. And once again duplicate them and send one more octave down. And now listen it. To listen to the chord progression and add notes wherever you feel necessary. And guys, now this feel better. But we need to do one more thing. Now sound better but feel like robotics. So we can play with velocity and some strumming. First I reduced the velocity of the bass note. And now select all notes and open randomizer with the help of Alt+R. And adjust velocity. And once again select all and open strumming with the help of Alt+S. And adjust it. It's totally depend on you and your track. Now let's compare both chord progression. And please hit that subscribe button if you like my videos.